So, Google just launched VideoPoet, an AI marvel that's about to shake and make waves in the world of video creation. You're probably thinking that this is just another AI gimmick. But trust me when I say that VideoPoet is not just your average tool. It's a total game changer that's here to take over the world of video editing. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. We are very excited to journey with you with AI. You don't want to get left behind, right? So consider liking this video and subscribing. It'll mean a lot to us. Now, let me spill the beans about VideoPoet, and trust me, it's pure magic. What sets VideoPoet apart from the rest is its ability to take any text and turn it into captivating videos like you're a professional director on a caffeinated shooting spree. Yes, you heard it right. Just imagine your text skillfully transformed into visually stunning tales. From robotic cats sipping tea to epic space odysseys, the possibilities are endless. And that's not all. VideoPoet is not just about creating videos. It's also a digital editing wizard when it comes to editing existing content too. Say goodbye to endless hours of editing and hello to an infinite stream of creative possibilities. Are you curious now? Let's dive into the sorcery of Google's VideoPoet and see if it's something worth seeing and using. First of all, let us salute the incredible artificial intelligence behind VideoPoet. An AI that excels at improving multimedia material has been created by the bright minds at Google. VideoPoet is an amazing AI master in its own right, continuing Google's tradition of producing outstanding AI. VideoPoet is essentially a cinematic fortune teller, actively creating its own visual narratives based on the provided content. The magic happens through the enchanting domain of autoregressive language modeling, which, for those who are unfamiliar, is a sophisticated way of describing predictive video magic. Indeed, we speak about an artificial intelligence that also acts as a director, adding its creative touch to many multimedia endeavors. Imagine a world where words dance and images sing. That's the world brought to life by VideoPoet, Google's AI marvel that weaves visual narratives with the effortless grace of a master storyteller. Suppose you feed it a few words, a short poem, or even a vivid description. A sunlit beach from your seashore poetry, a busy metropolis from your urban haiku, or a whirling galaxy from your sci-fi thoughts are just a few of the captivating images that VideoPoet creates. Much like a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat, get rid of the time-consuming parts of traditional video editing. With the help of VideoPoet, you can navigate the uncharted territory of AI-powered multimedia production with ease. Its cutting-edge, autoregressive language model architecture serves as your virtual atelier, painstakingly converting your written compositions into visually stunning compositions. Whether your creative vision calls for grand cinematic landscapes, poignant still images, or interactive experiences, VideoPoet acts as a smooth medium, transforming your ideas into real, tangible expressions. Technical difficulties are no longer a hindrance to artistic resonance. Enter the stage of this emerging creative ecosystem and embrace the freeing potential of AI-assisted storytelling. So far, so good, eh? Well, there's more to it. Google's VideoPoet has this amazing ability to blend language and video generation. Now, tell me you have seen something like this before. I'm placing my bets on no. This is when the real magic happens, since VideoPoet brings in a very intelligent language model. Using language clues, this intelligent algorithm predicts audio or video sequences with frightening accuracy. It is comparable to planning an unexpected celebration in which the model plays the role of an expert planner who interprets your ambiguous cues to pull off a very grand event. Let's explore VideoPoet's magic if you're still baffled by it. Think of it as an AI creator, carefully creating customized multimedia tapestries, one exquisite stitch at a time. Every piece of content, audio or video, seamlessly interlocks with the others, creating a story that is as complex and well-rounded as a suit tailored to order. But the creativity doesn't end there. Imagine animated Shakespearean scarecrows or bizarre ballet dancing tacos. VideoPoet's combination of words and images pushes the limits of narrative and surprises even seasoned directors like Steven Spielberg. We are in the midst of a technologically driven revolution in filmmaking, where AI will expertly combine the bardic skills of a seasoned storyteller with intricate and varied video narratives. Think about it. Due to VideoPoet, you can share a dynamically created movie of a raccoon party with your buddy instead of just sending them a dull letter about those annoying raccoons in your backyard. Or how alien would it be to have your insanely creative science fiction tale brought to life on screen? At dreamlike costs, it's like having your own Spielberg. With each AI-generated video it creates, VideoPoet is breaking the norms and rewriting them globally. So, thanks to VideoPoet, we might soon envision a world where school lectures are 3D visual wonders, and board meetings are immersive cinematic experiences. But hey, who knows? A lot of strange things are always happening. So, is VideoPoet going to reinvent our language of multimedia? Very probably. Will it emerge as the next darling of the IT world? It certainly appears that way. While the allure of effortlessly generating video content from mere voice prompts is undeniable, Google recognizes the true potential of VideoPoet lies beyond convenience. This innovative tool aspires to democratize video creation, empowering diverse voices to tell their stories through the lens of AI-powered automation. Imagine a world where journalists craft compelling video narratives from their written reports. Educators bring learning to life with dynamic visual aids generated on demand. And social media influencers captivate audiences with lightning-fast content creation. VideoPoet transcends the realm of novelty and unlocks a future where storytelling flourishes, fueled by the magic of artificial intelligence. That's it! Say goodbye to the days of laborious visual crafting. Work smart and not hard, as they always say. Do you agree that Google's VideoPoet is a total game changer? Beyond just being convenient, it offers storytellers in a variety of professions a new way of thinking. Imagine creating compelling social media content at a never-before-seen speed and ease, or turning textual reports into exciting news stories. You could even add dynamic images to instructional materials to make them come to life. Not only is VideoPoet a game changer, but it's also an adaptable tool that has the potential to empower people and alter the video creative industry. I'd like to know about your thoughts on this new AI tool. What you think? Is it a yay or a nay? Is it really groundbreaking or is it just too hyped up? Write down your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Consider subscribing and supporting our video by liking, sharing, and commenting on it. We cannot wait to make more videos for you guys. Stay tuned!